Good morning, Rose. What a beautiful day.
Yes, Ben, the sun is shining so nicely.
Good morning, Grandma and Grandpa. I am so hungry this morning.
What will you two do today?
We want to play outside, Grandpa.
You may play outside after breakfast.
Thank you, Grandma. We will be careful. Let's finish quickly and go outside. Yes, I want to play with the ball.
I will pick some apples from the tree.
Be careful on the ladder, Ben.
The ladder is ready by the tree.
I will watch from the kitchen window.
I found our red ball, Lily. Great! Let's play catch together. Catch it, Lily. Here it comes. I've got it. Throw it again. Watch this big throw, Leo. Whoa, that was too strong.
These apples look nice and red.
Please hold on tightly, my dear.
The ball is flying toward the tree. Oh no, Grandpa is right there. Grandpa, look out! The ball!
What? Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! Ouch! My back!
Run, Leo! Grandpa will be angry. Wait for me, Lily. Run fast.
Ben, are you hurt? Oh dear.
I am okay, just a little dizzy.
Here, my dear, take my hand.
Thank you, Rose. That was quite a fall.
Did we really hurt Grandpa badly? I don't know. I feel very bad. We should tell Grandpa what we did. No, we'll get punished, Leo. Maybe we can just stay quiet. But that would not be honest, Lily.
That ladder fell down so suddenly.
Yes, it is strange, my dear. I wonder where the children are.
They were playing with their ball, remember?
Maybe we should buy Grandpa a gift. That's a wonderful idea, Lily. What should we buy for him? Something he will really love, Leo. Let's tell Grandma the truth first. Yes, she will know what to do. Grandma, we need to tell you something. It is about Grandpa's fall today. Our ball hit the ladder, Grandma.
Oh, I see. Thank you for telling me. It was an accident, Lily dear.
But we still feel very sorry.
A small gift would make him happy.
Yay! Can you help us choose one, Grandma?
There is a nice shop in town.
Let's go there together, Grandma. I am ready to go, Lily. Me too. Let's find Grandma outside.
Here are some coins for the gift.
Thank you, Grandma. We will choose well.
The town looks so nice today.
Yes, and the weather is perfect. Look, Grandma, a nice gardening hat.
That is perfect for your grandfather.
I think Grandpa will love this hat. Yes, it matches his gardening clothes. I can't wait to give this to Grandpa.
He is going to be so surprised.
What should we say to Grandpa? Let's just tell him we are sorry.
Are you ready to tell him, Leo?
Yes, let's do it together, Lily. Grandpa, we are back from town.
Welcome back. How was your trip?
Grandpa, our ball made you fall.
Oh, I see. Thank you for telling me.
We are very sorry, Grandpa. Here.
What a lovely gift. Thank you, Lily. It was an accident. I forgive you.
Thank you, Grandpa. We feel much better.
See, Ben? Everything is all right now.
Yes, Rose. Our family is wonderful. That fall was quite funny, actually.
Ha! You looked like a cartoon, Grandpa.
Let's bake an apple pie tonight.
Yes! With the apples from the tree.
This pie smells absolutely wonderful, Rose.
Thank you, my dear. It's almost ready.
What a wonderful day this has been.
Yes, Ben. Our family is truly happy.